we're pouring water. Look. Whoa, you see that?
No, I'll do it.
All right, you do it. Tamin, do you understand what to do? Okay, that's good with drops with blue. What's your color?
Red.
Yours is red, going down. Okay, good with red. Adding yellow. They look like red. Green ones coming.
I have a very good idea.
Look at the bottom.
It's
all
rainbow.
the colors are sipping through. Isn't it cool?
Oh, what else are we gonna do? Are we gonna add more colors?
Oh, I think it's time to shake it. Can you give it a good shake?
Okay.
Wow.
What is happening here?
Flip it over. And shake some more. Yay! What color do we have? It's turning all one dark.
Black? Is it cool?
We ended up at having
Well,
this
can we
dark
add one more
liquid.